Hello my dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter 4 of geography, that is air. Dear students, in previous module we have discussed the definition of atmosphere, its composition and structure. And in this module we shall study about weather and climate, temperature and about air pressure. Let's discuss about weather and climate. Dear students, weather and climate play an important role in our lives. They determine our lifestyle, eating habits, clothes, occupations, the kind of houses we build, etc. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Weather is the R2R and day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. A hot or humid weather may make one irritable, while a pleasant breezy weather may make one cheerful and even plan for an outing. Dear students, weather can change dramatically from day to day. However, the average weather condition of a place for a longer period of time represents the climate of a place. Dear students, there are many factors which affect the climate of a place. For example, temperature, precipitation, pressure, wind, humidity, etc. Next is temperature, which is an element of climate. Dear students, the temperature you feel every day is the temperature of the atmosphere. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is known as temperature. It is measured by a thermometer and is expressed in degrees Celsius. Dear students, the temperature of the atmosphere changes not only between day and night but also from season to season. For example, summers are hotter than winters. Dear students, an important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation. Now question arises, what is insolation? It is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the earth. The amount of insolation decreases from the equator towards the pole. Let's discuss other factors which affect temperature. First is latitude. Dear students, the places away from the equator are cooler as they receive slanting sun rays, which cause little heating. Next is altitude. The places at higher altitudes are generally cooler than those at lower altitudes. This is because a loss of heat takes place as we go up in the atmosphere. Next is distance from the sea. As water takes long to heat up or to cool down in relation to land, this causes equable climate in places near the sea. It means there is no difference between seasons and there is no difference between day and night. Next is ocean currents. Dear students, ocean currents are of two types, hot and cold. Hot ocean currents increases the temperature in the coastal area and cold ocean currents decreases the temperature in the coastal areas. Let's talk about air pressure. Dear students, you will be surprised to know that air above us presses us with a great force on our bodies. However, we don't even feel it. This is because the air presses us from all directions and our body exerts a counter pressure. So, air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. As we go up the layers of atmosphere, the pressure falls rapidly. The air pressure is highest at sea level and decreases with height. Dear students, horizontally the distribution of air pressure is influenced by temperature of air at a given place. In areas where temperature is high, the air gets heated and rises. This creates a low pressure area. Low pressure is associated with cloudy skies and wet weather. Dear students, in areas having lower temperature, the air is cold. It is therefore heavy. Heavy air sinks and creates a high pressure area. High pressure is associated with clear and sunny skies. The air always moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. So my dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.